Alright, now we have a triangle here. We want to work out the length of the side AB. Right, AB there is marked X meters. And what else do we know? Well, the key thing here is you see this angle 103. That angle, the opposite side to that angle, we know it's 10 meters. And because of this kind of matching pair, this opposite matching pair, the angle and the opposite side known, we always go for the sine rule for area. And that's on page 16 of your log tables. Right? And it's something that goes like this. Area equals a half AB times sine C. A and B are side lengths. Oh no, I'm gone wrong now. Scrap that. It's not like that at all, because that was for SAS condition, but this isn't SAS. This is angle and the opposite side. So it's a different sine rule. It's A over sine of the opposite angle, sine A. Big A is for the angle, small a for the side, equals B over sine B. So these are kind of matching side and angle. And for A here we can put in 10 meters over sine 103 degrees equals, now what are we looking for? We're looking for AB, so that's going to be X meters in length. So we can stick in X there. And the angle opposite is 30, so that's going to be sine 30 degrees there. Now we want X on its own, so we can multiply both sides by sine 30. And you'll end up with sine 30 cancelling from the right hand side, and you'll end up with 10 times sine 30 on the left, all over sine 103 degrees equals X. So I'll just bring that up here now. X equals 10 times sine 30, you can write it like that, all over sine 103 degrees. So we'll bang that into the calculator using the fraction key. 10 times sine 30, don't forget to close your bracket, over sine 103, and again close the bracket, press equals, and I have 5. X equals 5.13, that's the 2 decimal places, I've rounded it now, and the units are meters. That's the length of side AB. So you could say side AB, if you want to be fancy, that means the length of the distance between the 2 points A and B equals 5.13 meters. That's it, job done.